Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of us. Thank you for this beautiful occasion that has been given to me. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Sani Gaida. I'm currently working on Dustira Military Hospital. Before I start present, I would like to say thank you to Unjani for inviting me to join International Workshop and Symposium PIT 13F Unjani 20 and 22. My topic presentation about myocardial infarct with non-obstructive coronary arteries in young women with peripartum cardiomyopathy, or we can say MINOCA. Introduction. MINOCA, myocardial infarction with non-obstructive coronary arteries in young women is a rare case that diagnosis of acute MI, presence of non-obstructive coronary artery on angiography, and absent on other specific clinically overt cause acute presentation. It has 5 times increase in young women, approximately 17 of coronary thrombosis pregnancy. My case illustration, a 30-year-old woman presented with acute chest pain. This patient was 16 days postpartum and had a history of peripartum cardiomyopathy or PPCM. She gave exclusive breastfeeding before. She has negative history pre-eclampsy, hypertension, or eclampsy in her previous pregnant. On this physical examination, we can find elevated GVP with truncate basal pulmo. On ECG, we can find STEMI in inferior lead, while troponin E level was elevated, suggesting STEMI inferior. On echo, we can find decreased left ventricular ejection fraction and global hypokinesia. And then on coronary angiography, we can find normal coronary with thrombus distal left coronary circumflex and coronary slow flow. This is the ECG and angiography. Next, can go to discussion. MINOCA in young patient, age 18 until 55 years, predominantly women and non-white patient. Women has 5 times higher odds of presenting of MINOCA than men. Etiology, coronary disorder, myocardial disorder, and non-cardiac disorder. But most coronary causes are non-atherosclerotic, including pregnancy-related spontaneous coronary artery dissection, angiographic normal coronary arteries, and coronary thrombosis. In this case, endothelial dysfunction and procoagulant stage increase in women with pregnancy-related. The pregnancy itself associated with a 3 or 4-fold increase in myocardial infarct risk. Coronary angiography, normal coronary arteries, coronary slow flow, and thrombus at distal LCX. Myocard infarct the normal artery usually result from transient coronary spasm, while thrombotic etiology may be consequence of pregnancy-related hypercoagulability and paradoxically embolic. In situ coronary thrombosis may potentially cause coronary occlusion and thus be responsible for MINOCA. She gave breastfeeding before. 18 kg prolactin fragment had vasculotoxin and pro-apoptotic property and vascular and myocardial dysfunction. 16 kg prolactin fragment and decreased expression of VEGF or vascular endothelial growth factor. VEGF antagonist late gestation may be placental secretion of soluble FM like tyrosine kinase. We can found on systolic dysfunction, and level are markedly elevated in women with preeclampsy or PPCM. Thrombi may arise spontaneous in the context of hereditary acquired thrombotic disorder. Normally, multiple mechanisms are involved with promotion inhibition blood coagulation, present delicate balance. These mechanisms include endothelial factor, platelet coagulation cascade, and fibrinolytic. Hereditary thrombophilia disorder associating factor 5, protein S, and protein C deficient. Protein S and C deficient result in the loss of natural anticoagulant properties, leading to thromboembolism. Conclusion, our case further document thrombus, coronary occlusion of consequence of PPCM, oxidative stress, leading to cleavage of the nursing hormone prolactin. The 16 kg prolactin fragment has vasculotoxic and pro-apoptotic properties and vascular myocardial dysfunction. Protein C and S can influence hypercoagulable condition, although infrequent were more common with MINOCA than myocard infarct CAD. Deficient of protein C and protein S result in unchecked thrombin generation, leading to thromboembolism. Coronary thrombosis may be potentially coronary occlusion, and thus be responsibility of MINOCA. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.